This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Ronin. First, ensure you have both the MetaMask and Ronin wallet browser extensions installed. Take a moment to set up each wallet, creating strong passwords and securely backing up your unique seed phrases. This initial step is crucial for safeguarding your digital assets and ensuring a smooth connection process. Next, navigate to the official Ronin Bridge website. Here, you will connect your MetaMask wallet to the bridge. Select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer from the Ethereum network to Ronin. Before proceeding, carefully review all transaction details, including the gas fees, which are typically paid in Ether. This ensures you understand the cost involved. Once you initiate the transfer, a MetaMask notification will appear, prompting you to approve the transaction. Confirm this, and then patiently wait for the transaction to be processed on the Ethereum blockchain. This can take a few minutes. Finally, open your Ronin wallet to confirm that your assets have successfully arrived and are ready for use. With your assets now on the Ronin network, you can begin interacting with various decentralized applications. Simply visit your desired Ronin D app and connect your Ronin wallet directly. You are now ready to use your transferred assets for gaming, trading, or other activities within the Ronin ecosystem, enjoying faster and more affordable transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.